Close to 10 years since the grisly Ampatuan massacre, where a cache of munition and firearms in D&D labeled boxes were found in Ampatuan storage, yet another deja vu development involving loose firearms allegedly from the D&D have been seen in the hands of rebels that PTV's Bea Bernardo dwells on in this report.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines will investigate the accusations that the main source of loose firearms in Mindanao is the military. Bangsamoro Transition Authority Interim Chief Alhaj Murad Ibrahim earlier disclosed that some firearms used by the rebel groups have Department of National Defense marking. AFP spokesperson Brigadier General Edgar Arevalo said they are aware of some cases of missing and lost firearms in the AFP.
Alam naman po namin na may mga kaso ng pagkawala ng mga baril at bala sa mga nangyaring bakbakan at sa mga ambush na nangyari na nagdaan. Pero ito naman po ay naka-record sa atin.
Arevalo said they will conduct a comprehensive inventory of their firearms. The AFP reiterates they have a strong regulation in military regarding pilferage.
Siguruhin po namin na sino mang sundalo ang mapatutunayang nagkamali o nagkasala ng pilferage, sigurado pong sila ibibigyan natin ng napakahigpit na kaparusahan sa ilalim na umihiral na Articles of War.
The Defense Department assures the public they are now taking action on the matter, saying they won't tolerate individuals violating the gun laws of the country. Bea Bernardo for the Nation.